let's talk a little bit tonight before City Council. The ordinances, I don't want to, well, to ban K2, the sale of K2 inside Fort Wayne.
Yes.
Where do you weigh in on the issue?
Well, as I understand it, as best I can, there is an active ingredient in the K2 that's similar to the active ingredients in marijuana. It's called cannabinoid or it's called something like that. But with the K2, it's a man-made substance. And then that K2 is placed on some plants or something, and then you smoke that. Marijuana, you actually smoke the marijuana. So I'm looking at these two substances. It's hard to distinguish in my mind the difference. Mm-hmm. Why one is illegal and why one is not. And I don't know that much about it, but it's just awfully curious to me that you can just go on and just get high off this K2 with a similar substance as you do with the marijuana and just have a good time and nothing happens to you. You know, I think that's a problem. It's sending the wrong message to our young people or our older people that this kind of activity is okay, where I'm not sure what the impact will have on the person's health or whatnot, but then if it's a city ordinance, then there's that problem, the enforcement piece, and then you go out to another city if they have a different kind of law, and I think the state would probably simplify things for all of us. Mm-hmm. But the concern is real. Mm-hmm. I mean, I would support that concern about doing something about banning the K2.
Anything I haven't asked that you'd like to talk about regarding your run?
No, I think that being a judge, I think is 95% of listening. No one comes to court to see the judge. We're there to keep order. We're the ones that are supposed to be the sanest person in the courtroom, the sanest person. When people would lose it, get upset, the judge has to maintain the order. The judge has to have the respect, has respect for everyone, and the temperament to understand that it's just human nature that sometimes the emotions will fly high, and just understanding that the judge does not react in kind in a vicious way, but just being a judge, you're in charge. You don't have to raise your voice. You're in charge. And if someone's acting up and they won't want to listen to you, you don't have to yell at them. Bailiff, come and take this person away. Okay, now where were we? So I think the temperament, and I want people when they leave my courtroom to say, I might not have agreed with everything Mr. Griffin said, but doggone it all, I had my day in court. I had my day in court, and that's all we can provide. The day in court under the law. So, thank you.
Thank you for your time today. It's been a pleasure talking with you.
Thank you, Mr.